I'd like to call my brothers and my sister to please. May mga tao lang po ako na gustong pasalamatan before we show you the ADP. Yes. Sandali lang. Tita Gigi and Tita Susan Bondok, please stand up. Etong dalawang tao to, maraming sa pagmamahal niyo kay Mami, please. Thank you for taking care of her. Thank you sa paggabi sa kanya at hindi niyo siya pinapabanyatan. Tita Imelda, please stand up. Thank you, Tita. Salamat po sa klase ng napakabili ni Mami. Salamat po. We love you, Tita. Thank you. Thank you. I want to say thank you to St. Peter's Chapel for taking care of everything that night. Itong the Heritage Chapel, 9 days na po kami dito. Diyos ko, Panginoon ko. Mula kay Mamita, sa lola ng mga anak ko, kay Papa nila, hanggang sa akin. Salamat po sa lahat ng staff ng The Heritage for taking care of our families. Thank you very much. Lahat po ng request ko at tumawag ko sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. I want to say thank you, Ray Llanada. My mom passed at 9:53 p.m. Wala dito si Ray. Tinawagan ko. Sabi ko, Ray, kailangan ko ng damit ng mami ko. Tulungan mo ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan maghahanap. He called me back after a few minutes. Lord, okay na. Nakakuha ako ng damit. Maraming salamat, Ray. Hirat Ayala, siya ang nagpadala ng napakagandang terno na suot ng ating national artist. Maraming salamat po. To my good friends, ito ang naging pader ko itong mga nakaraang araw. Pinky, Gachi, Sheer Valdez, Nadia Montenegro. Grabe kayo. Salamat, maraming salamat. Hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko kung wala kayo. Nay Romel, salamat talaga. Sa mga anak ko, who prepared the Novena Mass, sila ang una kong natawagan nung wala ang mami. Sila ang unang tumulong sa akin. Babies, I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But thank you. I love you. Thank you. So asawa ko na hindi po siya Pilipino, pero gusto na niya maging Pilipino, baka naman pwede. Kasi sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na nakausap niya, galing na po mag-Tagalog eh. Salamat, mahal. Direk Adolf, thank you for assisting us with the program tonight. Salamat din. I'd like to thank the good Congressman Ron Salo, Commissioner Rely De Leon, si Senator Jinggoy, walang tigil ang tawag sa akin, nangangamusta. Lord, kamusta ka, mga kapatid mo? To the Ejercitos, maraming salamat po. To Senator Bongo, to Senator Bong Revilla and Madam Lani Revilla, to Senator Alan Cayetano, to to Mayor Lani Cayetano, to Senator Robin Padilla, who stayed with us for 10 hours on Mom's first day. Robin, Senator Ben, thank you. Thank you, Senator Robin, to you and to your whole team kay Betchay. Salamat, salamat, salamat. Hindi namin kaya ito ng kabilang. All of these good people extended their support and love to our family. To Miss Shirley Kwan, Tita Shirley, thank you for being my angel. To Tita Malu, for always guarding us every night. Alam kong nagbabantay ka sa amin, Tita Malu. To Tita Vivian Rescio, Tita, thank you. There are no words. Salamat. To all officials of the NCCA and libingan ng mga bayani, salamat. To all the fans of my mom, mahal na mahal niya kayo. Thank you for loving her. To our President and to our Madam First Lady, who stayed, and spent time with our family. Thank you for doing that. We really appreciate that and we're very, very, very grateful. Marami pa po akong gustong pasalamatan. Dad, I know you're there. We love you, Dad. Yun lang po. Pasensya na po kayo sa akin. Sa mga nag-alaga kay Mami, actually, I don't know them, Tita, hindi ko sila kilala. Sa mga nag-alaga kay Mami, kasi na kayo nag-on, maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tomorrow, tonight is our last night. Please lang po, again, I would like to ask, no more picture taking. Tama na po. Let's give this to my mom. Tama na po yung mga picture. Bigay niyo na rin po to sa nanay ko ngayong gabi. Also, I'd like to say thank you to Madam Amy, Senator Amy Marcos first, coming also this afternoon. Senator, thank you, thank you. Tomorrow po, aalis po kami dito ng 7 a.m. Papunta po ng Metropolitan Theater. Magkakaroon po ng ceremony doon for Mommy. And then dadalhin po siya sa libingan ng mga bayani for her state funeral. Yun lang po. Salamat. Salamat. Maraming salamat.